Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something that I've never done before. I'm over at Ski Liberty. I've done that before, but today is Christmas Day, so I thought, well, I don't have a whole lot going on home this morning, so I thought I'd come out and get a few hours in the morning. And boy, you know, I was surprised. I did see you know, a small amount of vehicles out in the parking lot, but out here on the slopes, and this is about 8:30 a.m. There's no line on the Alpine Quad. Not a lot of no activity over here, and the rental snowboard lines are wide open. So looks like it's going to be a fun day. Let's have a go.
One beautiful Christmas morning later.
These guys are good skiers.
Oh, I can tell, yeah.
Make sure you laugh. How's it going?
Pretty good.
You want a cookie? Trying to get rid of them?
No, thank you.
Coming with us, Joe.
Okay, all right, Rudolph.
All right.
Hold up.
Yeah,
There you go. There you go. Oh, I feel honored. I've never been on the sleigh with the crew.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Oh, I lost my ski.
Oh no, Dad!
Yeah.
Oh shoot! Hey,
Oh, he's got it.
He's got it.
How did it come off?
Yeah, how do they come off the level
Walked
you're
out
at?
on the snow.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Okay. Thanks, brother.
Got it. Okay, bar down.
Sure.
Does that help?
All right.
I figured the way you guys ski, I figured your skis were welded on. Well, that was a fun 3 hours or so here skiing at Ski Liberty on Christmas Day, Christmas morning. It's still not too crowded here. The lifts are running, and there's hardly any lines. A few people on the slopes, but you know, it's a fun day for everybody. The snow's pretty good. In fact, I'd say it's excellent in some spots. But yeah, a surprise for me, Christmas Day. Who would have thought? And I got to meet Santa today. All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next one.